Hi everyone, and welcome to Cinematic Crowd Creation with Houdini and Unreal Engine 5. In this course, we are going to explore the entire process of building, simulating, and rendering crowds. We'll kick things off in Chapter 1, where you'll learn how to build a character library from the ground up. You'll discover how to export characters from tools like Dash 3D and Blender and prepare them for use in Houdini and Unreal. We'll set up everything from characters to props, laying the foundation for detailed and dynamic crowd simulations. In Chapter 2, we'll move on to set design and layout. You'll create and block out environments, working on scene design that suits your crowds. Whether it's a ruined Japanese village or a modern day city, we'll cover how to set up the environment to match your crowd simulation. You'll also get hands-on experience with kit bashing techniques, camera setup, and exporting geometry between Houdini and Unreal Engine. Next, in Chapter 3, we'll build your animation library. Using Mixamo and other tools, we'll create a wide range of character actions, from walking and running to more specific animations like fishing or interacting with the environment. This chapter is all about giving your character life. In Chapter 4, we'll focus on shot design. You'll learn how to export your scene back into Houdini and create proxies that will optimize the workflow for handling large crowds. This is where we start designing your shots for the final render, preparing all the assets and camera moves that will give your scene that cinematic quality. By Chapter 5, we dive deep into Houdini's crowd tools. I'll showcase Houdini 20's latest updates, guiding you through the agent setup, where we begin to define how characters move, interact, and react in a crowd. You'll learn to simulate different behaviors and actions, using Houdini's powerful system to generate complex crowds with minimal effort. In Chapter 6, we'll get into crowd building and exporting. This chapter takes everything you have built so far, characters, animations, behaviors, and combines them into fully realized crowd scenes. We'll also dive into animation creation and prop addition. Post-processing and rendering are crucial steps, and that's exactly what we'll cover in Chapter 7. You'll set up side effects labs in Unreal, import your Houdini crowds, and learn about material assignments to add realism to your characters. Finally, in Chapter 8, I'll show you how to promote background characters to hero status, adding a final layer of detail to your scenes. You'll create custom characters in Dash, apply vellum cloth simulations for realistic fabric motion, and incorporate these characters into your crowd seamlessly. It's the perfect finishing touch to bring your scenes to life. Throughout this course, I've shared insights based on my work in the film and game industries. Now I'm passing that knowledge on to you. Whether you want to create massive detailed crowd scenes for animated films or populate game worlds with dynamic NPCs, I'm really excited to see what you create. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Now let's get out there and start creating and bring your crowd scenes to life.